10 money-making secrets that banks don't want you to know. Customers of banks and banks have a mutual connection. They need us just as much as we need them. Although we'd like to believe that our banks have our best interests at heart, they aren't always as open as we'd like them to be. Banks use a variety of cunning strategies to extract as much money as they can from you, whether you're spending or saving. Here are 10 to watch out for. 1. They want you to make a mistake. Banks don't provide interest-free credit cards out of the kindness of their hearts. They are making a bet that you will screw up your payments and have debt left over after the 0% deal expires. Therefore, be careful not to make a mistake. 2. That insurance is not required for you. When you take out credit, the bank will frequently try to offer you insurance to cover your payments in the event that something happens to you. If you can't, it could not truly cover all of the debt because of the small print in these insurance plans. You might have made other arrangements. 3. There's no such thing as free banking. Your account isn't actually free even though there isn't a monthly cost. We are all paying for our accounts, whether consciously or unconsciously, whether it be through overdraft fees or fake interest on credit balances. 4. More swipes mean more money for them. The bank receives payment from the retailer every time you swipe your card, whether it be debit or credit. You will frequently need to spend a particular amount within a specified length of time in order to take advantage of promotional credit card deals. Even if it's a great offer for you, they're only doing it for themselves. The faster the banks recover their costs by rewarding you, the more you swipe your card. Additionally, banks are betting that once you've built up the $1,000, you won't be able to pay it off in full in 1 month, leading to interest charges. 5. Your money might cost you money. If you take money out of an ATM that is not operated by your bank, you may be charged a fee in several countries. 6. It might be quite expensive to use your card overseas. If you use your credit or debit card abroad, many banks may hit you with a variety of fees and charges. You're typically better off changing your spending money in advance. 7. Savings rates won't last forever. Banks are famous for luring you in with a nice initial rate on your savings before drastically cutting it down later. Track the exact return you're receiving at all times. Make a move if it falls. 8. Don't change your holiday money up at the bank. Banks frequently provide some of the lowest conversion rates when splitting up your holiday spending money. Instead, make use of a professional currency exchange company. 9. You might not always receive the advertised rate. Every successful applicant may not always receive the offered rate from the lender. Only a portion of those who have been authorized may be eligible for that rate. The other applicants may be given a more costly option. 10. Your bank account does not worth the cost you are now paying for it. For a little monthly cost, certain bank accounts include a number of extra benefits, such as free travel insurance. The account, however, is probably not worth the money you're paying unless you utilize every one of the extras offered. Well, that's all I got for you today. Hope the video helped. Thanks for watching.